Well, I finally made it. Just going for a walk out here to see what I can see. Pretty nice. Get out of that valley down there. It's 100 and something degrees. Right now it's about 72, 73, so sun's getting ready to go down. Thought I'd get out and do a little walking around. Kind of show you just where I am. It's about south of Woods Canyon Lake. I can't remember the name of the area or the road that it was on, but anyway, south of Woods Canyon Lake. How's that? So I was kind of hoping we'd get some rain up here, but guess not. Pretty sunny. Very few clouds around. Anyway, that's kind of all I wanted to do. Was make a quick video on all of this. Kind of hoping I'd see Alvin the chipmunk. He was around yesterday, or earlier today. I don't know where he went. I guess he's off to his den now. Getting late. Time for him to go to bed, I guess.